Hi there. Are you also facing problems managing multiple social media accounts or advertising accounts? Yes, account bans are a very common issue when you manage all of them from one device or a computer. Even if you use a good VPN or proxy, your browser fingerprints remain the same. So, hi, I'm Ashish Kapoor from Corporate Blogging Tips, and today we are going to talk about Octobrowser, which is one of the best anti-detect web browser out there. This helps you keep multiple browser profiles with unique browser fingerprints to manage multiple accounts on any platform. It also enables you to configure any type of proxy which lets keep anonymity your first priority. And we will cover what makes it my preferred anti-detect browser, its pros and cons, key features, pricing details, setting it up, and why it deserves your attention as well. I will also share my personal experience using this browser. So let's get started. Octo browser is not your average web browser. It's a game changer for anyone dealing with multiple online accounts. Whether you're handling social media profiles, gaming accounts, multiple advertising accounts, or various digital assets and tasks, Octo browser simplifies everything. It saves you from drastic account bans, and account bans are really scary when you have financial accounts that carry funds, and no one wants their funds getting freezed, right? And its anti-detect feature is just what you need if you're looking to maintain privacy, avoid geo restrictions, and seamlessly manage multiple accounts across various platforms without any hassle or worry. Now let's dive into the exciting part. Octobrowser's extensive features. The first feature is multi-profile management. Octobrowser allows users to manage multiple profiles effortlessly. This is particularly useful for people handling various social media accounts, email accounts, or other online profiles. Octobrowser is lightweight and efficient, and the number of profiles you can run simultaneously is limited only by your device resources or your subscription plan. Octobrowser uses advanced anti-detect technology to prevent websites from detecting multiple accounts usage. Octobrowser profiles are practically identical to real users. And talking about the proxies management, which is the one of the most required feature of any anti-detect browser, you can also add proxies one by one or in bulk very easily. This makes your anti-detect browser experience very smooth and time-saving. It also has extensions and add-ons features. You can also install your favorite extensions and add-ons that you want to use from its integrated marketplace, right? This actually expands its features, allowing it to cater to individual needs and preferences more effectively, right? And talking about the templates, the browser also lets you manage multiple templates to help you generate profiles quickly. The template consists of browser hardware, software, and connection settings. Now, getting started with Octobrowser, let's go through the steps to get started with Octobrowser. You need to first download and install. So, first thing first, head over to the official head over to the official Octobrowser website to download and install the browser on your device. It's super easy, just like installing any other app. And head over to the website. I've given the link in the description and the first comment on the video. Download the file according to your device operating system. And the available options are Windows, Mac OS with Intel processor, Mac OS with M chip, and Linux. Linux version is in beta version for now, so you can still download it. Now you will also need to buy one of the subscription plans. Since you're watching this video, you get the starter plan for free for 4 days with the coupon code blog tips. The coupon code is flashing on your screen, so you can go and claim your 4 days free trial right now. To use the coupon, go to the profile icon, go to billing, and click on I have a promo code. Okay. Now type your promo code, and voila, you are ready to get your free trial. Further talking about pricing here in the middle of the video, there are four plans and four billing cycle options to choose from: starter, base, team, and advanced. These are the four plans. The starter plan gets you access to have 10,000 profiles, unlimited devices, and access to the proxy manager, right? As you start upgrading your plan, you get more features in the larger plans. Choose the plan you need to and log into your Octo browser application on your device. And now we come to the initial setup part. I've already set up multiple profiles and added some proxies that I've been using for quite some time. However, I will show you how to create a profile and add proxies using tags and ensure the highest level of anonymity with Canvas fingerprints. Though everything is much self-explanatory here. If you've been working with anti-detect browser or proxies before, there are three major tabs like browser profiles, proxies, and templates. Browser profiles here act as a separate browser being used in a separate machine and doesn't have or doesn't leave any clue of relation with other profiles. So in the proxies tab, you can configure multiple proxies and then use them with any profile you want. Templates are basically configuration presets for creating new profiles quickly with your preferred settings. Here is the number of profiles you've created and the number of profiles you can create. Right? Let's create one. In the basic settings, you can choose a profile name, add some description. This description will only be visible to you for reference. Choose a default icon, or you can also upload your own custom one from here if you want to, make it look different from Octo. Then using tag is good for categorization. You can also set up the start page to open automatically when you launch the profile. For example, if you're managing Google Ads profiles, then you can set ads.google.com as the startup page. So whenever you will open that profile, it will automatically open the Google Ads window. In the general settings, further configure the user agent, operating system, OS version, screen resolution, and many more. Language, time zone, and geolocation can be based on IP. It can be real or it can be manually configured as well. So now you can go. So now you can do some more customization in the profile hardware settings. You can manually choose the CPU cores, RAM, renderer for your browser profile. So the connection settings are basically the network settings where you can let it use your actual device IP or any custom proxy you have. If you want to choose a proxy here, you need to first add it in the proxies tab, or you can also click on plus set a new proxy here. And if you already have proxies, you can set it up here, or you can compare and buy from my links on this page. I'm giving you the link of my page in the description and the comment box below also. Next is cookies. If you already have cookies for auto login into the websites you frequently use, you can upload it from here. And also, you can check more features like storage, extensions, and security. However, these were enough to create a profile, so let's create it now. Now it's time to start the profile and talk about human typing behavior. If you do not want to, basically type something manually and it is already in your clipboard, you can simply use type text from clipboard. This option is available in your right click menu when you are using this browser. So this is a very good feature if you want a human typing behavior even when you are pasting something, right? Then proxy management. From here you can manage all the proxies you have bought from several sources. All you need to do is to set it up first, right? You need to import the proxy list in this proxy manager, and now you can manage it easily with Octo browser. You can add proxies in bulk, or you can add them one by one also. It supports proxies in any format you may have: SOX5, HTTPS, HTTP, or even SSH. I have added a lot of proxies already. If you have copied a proxy in host port, username, password format, you can paste it in the hostname field and every field will be automatically populated, right? Um, you can start using proxies very easily with Octo browser. Then talking about working with a team. So when you manage multiple profiles, it is also possibility that you are having a team whom you need to give access to be able to manage those multiple accounts. So you can also add your team members to manage multiple ad accounts, and every team member will also have a consistent browser fingerprint to manage those accounts. So you can add the team members from here. Go to your profile icon and go to team from the drop down menu. Choose the feature that you want the team member to be able to use, and then you have profile proxies and templates to choose from. This is basically letting them access what you actually want them to access. No rocket science here. So let's keep it short. Let's talk about pros and cons also. One of the Octo browser's standout feature is its ability to create high quality browser fingerprints for each profile. These fingerprints mimic real user behavior very closely, reducing the chances of getting detected by the websites or platforms when handling multiple accounts. Then proxy management is also a very good advantage of Octo browsers. So many anti-detect browsers would not have this easy proxy manager, and even SSH format proxies are supported. So managing proxies is a breeze with Octo browser. You can easily set up and handle proxies directly within the browser, right? Then talking about the cookies management, you cannot manage cookies like you manage proxies in the browser. However, you can upload cookies for each profile and log in automatically to those preferred sites, right? To sum it up, Octo browser is a modern and feature-packed alternative to traditional web browsers. I've used several anti-detect browsers, and Octo browser is the best tool for advertisers who manage multiple Google Ads accounts or Facebook ad accounts. Not just Google or Facebook ads account, it can be any type of ad account, social media accounts, or dropshipping accounts. So yeah, that's a wrap for today's video. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech related content. I wish you happy browsing with Octo browser.